Welcome back to the Quiz Rush. In this video, we guess the logo by its sounds. You can guess each logo by its sound. Here's the 18 logos before starting video. Subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. Here's the first one. Guess the logo by sound. Did you guess it? Comment if you reached. It's Mario game logo sound. My childhood memories. Can you guess this logo sound? Keep watching till end. Last logo sound is your test. It's Pepsi logo sound. Did you guys guess this one? Hit the like button. Yes, the famous brand Coca-Cola logo sound. Try guess this logo's sound. Comment if you nailed it. Yes, it's McDonald's logo sound. Try guess this logo by its sounds. It's very familiar and easy. Yes, it's Netflix intro sound. Mostly of you guys nailed it. Guys, try guess this logo. Share this video and subscribe. The Burger King logo intro sound. Try this one. It's LG mobile logo sound. Can you guess this one? Hope you guess it. Hit like button to show your score. It's Nokia intro music. Try guess this one. Guesses. A childhood memories. Yes, it's Windows startup sound. Try guess this 10 number. KFC. Hope you guess this one. Yes, it's Coco Melon logo sound. Try guess this 12 number. It's 20th Century Box Movie. Can you guess this 13 number logo? Apple phone music. Fourteen number is difficult, but you listened before. It's YouTube intro music. Try guess this one. Yes, it's Candy Crush game music. Try guess this one. Yes, it's Imposter logo music intro. Guess this second last. One of my childhood memories, Cartoon Network. Try guess this last logo. It's Aza logo intro music. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.